been lied to. And in just a second here, if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can use the power of the internet, of creating an online business to allow you a life where you can make money anywhere where you are in the world, and how you can make as much money as you dream of. People like myself are making millions of dollars a year, and many of my students have created 7-figure, 6-figure, or even just 5-figure businesses.
I would recommend it to anybody that's looking to get into affiliate marketing.
John's definitely a really smart dude and super focused.
He's actually one of the smartest internet marketers I know.
They've quit their jobs. They've been able to move anywhere in the world they want, travel at will, take on hobbies, spend time with their families, do anything in their life that they want to do. Now, all of this is possible through an exclusive training, and I'm going to show you how. All you have to do is take action and get access to this free training, which I'm conducting every single week to show you how you can take your life into your own hands. You don't need any previous or technical skills to get started from. You can start this. All you need to have is a computer and internet connection and a desire to make this work, but most importantly, you need to have belief. Take action, click the link on this page, and get access to this exclusive live training right now. I'll see you there.